Artificial intelligence, is it dangerous? Is it our future savior or our ultimate downfall? If you've seen the headlines, you've probably heard everything from AI will take over the world to AI will save humanity. But what's the real story? Today we're cutting through the hype to explore the true benefits and risks of AI in 2025. Trust me, it's not as black and white as you think. Hey everyone, welcome back to TheTechTive, where we make tech easy and fun for everyone. If you're new here, don't forget to smash that subscribe button because today's topic is super exciting. AI is everywhere, your phone, your home, even your car. But have you ever wondered what makes AI so different from regular tech? And is it really as dangerous as some people say? Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what's fact, what's fiction, and what you can actually do about AI. All right, let's start with the basics. Most tech we use follows strict rules like a recipe. If you've ever written code, you know it's all about step-by-step instructions. AI, on the other hand, is more like how we learn things. It picks up patterns, makes predictions, and gets better over time, kind of like when you learn to ride a bike or play a video game. This ability to learn is what makes AI both incredibly powerful and, yeah, a little scary, because unlike traditional tech, AI can surprise even its creators. Let's talk about the good stuff, the benefits AI is already bringing in 2025. Spoiler alert, it's life-changing. Did you know AI can diagnose diseases better than some doctors? For example, AI systems are now detecting breast cancer earlier and more accurately than ever before. We're also seeing drug discoveries that used to take decades being completed in just months. Imagine what this means for treating rare diseases. AI is quietly saving our planet. Smart grid systems are cutting energy waste by up to 30%. Farmers are adapting to climate change using AI-powered weather predictions, and industries are slashing emissions thanks to optimization algorithms. This isn't sci-fi, it's happening now. On a more personal level, AI is making life easier for all of us, whether it's smart home systems that lower your energy bills or language apps teaching millions for free. AI is transforming the way we live. Okay, now for the part you've been waiting for, the dangers. The truth is, AI isn't perfect and the risks aren't always obvious. The biggest threat right now isn't killer robots, it's job disruption. Studies show that up to 40% of jobs could change significantly by 2030. Then there's privacy. AI systems collect tons of data, which can lead to serious breaches. And let's not forget AI-powered deepfakes, which are making misinformation harder to spot. Looking further ahead, researchers are worried about economic inequality. If big corporations control AI, the gap between rich and poor could grow even wider. And what happens if we become too dependent on AI for critical systems like healthcare or transportation? It's a slippery slope. Here's a fun fact. Most AI today is what we call narrow AI. It's great at specific tasks, but terrible at general problem solving. For example, ChatGPT can write poems, but it doesn't understand them. And self-driving cars, they still struggle with things like a cyclist making a sudden turn. Here's the bottom line. AI isn't our enemy or our savior. It's a tool. It's up to us to use it wisely. So instead of fearing AI, let's focus on understanding it and preparing for the future. Want to dive deeper into AI, tech, and everything in between? Subscribe to TheTechTive and join our growing community of curious minds. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts.